Alright, today I'm going to make a video on using the NCE Snap It, which is, Switch It, which is different than the Snap It. The Switch It is used for the slow motion motors. So it really isn't as difficult as I thought it was at first. Once you figure out how to do it, it's pretty easy to set it up. So, using JMRI is the way that I would prefer to do it, rather than than set each up with my controller. So I opened up the Panel Pro, and while that's opening up, I can show you that I've got it ran to my main bus here. The power going to the Snap It. It's pretty self-explanatory on the chip itself here on how to hook it up. Then I've soldered on each end there. I believe it's 1 and 8 on the controller. Oh, it's saying no NCE, so let me turn that on real fast. And then yeah, so there we go. I'm just using a handheld camera, so hopefully it won't be totally horrible. Now I made this panel just for this reason here, just to test this. I want to buy one, see if I could make it work before I went off and start investing any kind of money into this. And this isn't on my layout currently. It's just I'm using it here with this transfer table, just as more for me to learn how to use it before I start adding to my layout, which is not in the house. So I have the NCE USB that goes to the computer, that also plugs right into, I'm not sure, I think it's a UP something there that plugs your controller, then plugs into. It starts flashing, it's communicating, and of course this is just regular bus over here. So as we got set up here, I would like to see both of them so you can see the device here maybe. This is a touchscreen computer, so let me try to, we'll zoom in there, and let's see. Now right here is where it switched, coming off the line. So and we move back again. Pretty neat. I like it. It really, you know, once I did all the wrong ways, I found out the way that it worked, and it wasn't so bad. So I was a little intimidated at first. Will I be able to get this thing working? But once everything starts working like it's supposed to, it's a pretty neat system. I definitely will buy more of them. And you would use this JMRI, I believe, for a if you was doing some dispatching, and I was doing an operating session with my, seeing where the switches are that I want to change. The other thing that you see on there is red. It's because I'm also in the process of learning this also NCE, I believe it's called a BD20. It's a block indicator, I guess what they call it. I'm trying to figure out how to use that to make the train show up on there, which I'm still learning. But I just wanted to share this video. I think this thing was pretty neat. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was pretty inexpensive, something like $15 or $20, I guess. I don't remember for sure. And then of course these tortoises, if you don't have any of these, I definitely recommend them. I love those things. I think that they're a really cool device. The layout that I have, I'm running my whole top level, is got the tortoises on it, and they have been pretty awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching the video.